Alright guys, so I got a new job. I'm doing light fixtures in this apartment that's going to be moved into. Look at this sketch. This is sketch. Came across this just now in the box here. The neutral wire that's coming out of the box, the frickin' insulation is all off on it. And then this was tied around this in there. Some sketchy stuff going on in here, guys. I don't like that. I don't like that. So I got to do that one. I got to do this one. I already took this one down. The new one's in that box there. I got to do those two. Then there's one here. Right? Is there nothing in the bathroom? No, okay. And then there's one in the bedroom. So today I'm going to try and knock out all these three right here. I'll see what I can do. But it's a little sketch, Alright, one down, another one to go. That's a sketchy way to mount that glass, guys. It's held on by these three little nuts here, and this ring is what's holding up this glass dome. So you got to be really careful when you take this down to clean it. That's sketchy. Alright, on to the next one. Okay guys, it's the next day. This is installed. The kitchen fixture is installed. This one I don't think they noticed comes with a pull chain, so I'll probably just take out the pull chain because it's operated by the wall switch anyway. And I just put this one up. I'm sure there's a table here, and it was way too low. I had to take off a length of pipe, but I'm gonna leave it at 2 lengths. And if that's still too low, I'll take off another length and lift it up, but I don't know if this is how they want it, so I want them to see it like this first. Because some people do have it at this height, because like the table sits kind of right there. I mean, I have seen apartments where these are a little low over the table, so I'm not sure if it's 2, 1, definitely not 3. That was like way too low. So it's either going to be 2 or 1. But I need to know from them or the contractor first, and then if I have to move it up another rung, I'll move it up another rung. It's not a problem, but yeah, it looks good. I'm going to take these guys down for now, and tomorrow I will put the new ones up and do the little one here in the this little like hall thing, and then after that Friday I'll get to the bedroom one and we'll knock it out. So yeah. That's where I'm at. Okay, so it's now Thursday, the next day again. I'm doing a few fixtures a day. This was so ridiculous. These fixtures require this bracket to put up, so you screw it into the sides. But look how they originally did these. They have the screws that come down. Somebody put little blocks of wood up in there to hold it up straight. So I had to take the whole plate down, modify it, take the screws out. I mean, it's just, you know, this is why these take a little longer than usual, because you're going to run into things like this, which is ridiculous, but it is what it is. I'm going to get that guy up. I'm going to do this guy. I'm going to do these two today, call it a day. Friday, I'm going to finish the hallway one and the bedroom one, and I'm done. Okay, this is exactly why I love this little side ratchet tool for stuff like this. I can get it. I need 2 hands, but you guys get the point. Okay, well they're up. They did not come with the bulbs. They need the GU10 50 watts the max. It's that those like swivel pin sockets, that type of bulb. So they gotta buy the bulbs. They gotta tell the new resident of this apartment, and then the contractor has to come back and do a little touch up around there. And then I need to know from them about this height, and the contractor has to do that, and the dimmer switch for this is not working, so they need to replace this dimmer switch because it blinks on real fast. Well, I'll show you actually. Alright, watch this. Alright, so either these bulbs aren't dimmable or they need to replace the dimmer. Tomorrow, we will be tackling this one, which should be very straightforward. Very, very, very straightforward. And then after that, the final one is the bedroom one. And I think that's it. I don't think they left me anything in these closets. Nope. So that will be the last one. Okay guys, well that's it. The lighting job's done. They wanted me to raise this up as high as possible, so I brought it all the way up. Just in case, I left them the little tubes in here. I'm just gonna take that chain back out, that's no problem. I'm not gonna video that. Kitchen light. Living room lights are done, but again, they need to buy those bulbs, so can't show that on. Just did the little hallway one. The bedroom light. Hallway one's done. And this is the same one as the kitchen. And wow, looks a lot nicer in here. So that's the lighting job, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video. You know, of course I gotta like move those to where they want me to move them and stuff like that. But again, I'm not videoing that. This is it. Everything's in place. I gotta take that. I took this back up just now. Clean out my garbage and we're done, guys. So thanks for watching the light job, and we'll catch you on the next video. Mike out.